I've had a number of emails just recently where someone's purchased a vehicle with a list of features and specifications, only when the vehicle's been delivered, it's missing one of those features or specifications. The latest excuse that I've heard is that the list of specifications for that particular model of vehicle changed between the time of ordering and delivery of the vehicle. Now, the general point, because you must not take this as legal advice because it's not specific to your circumstances necessarily, but the general position is at the time of ordering, you will have a list of features and specifications, hopefully detailed within the order form for your vehicle. The vehicle that's delivered, I hope, should go without saying to most people, as common sense, should match the order for which you've placed the vehicle. If you get the vehicle delivered and it's missing one of these features, then the vehicle, on the face of it, is not as described, even if it's a relatively minor feature, because with a new vehicle, there will be a list of specifications, and the Consumer Rights Act is going to protect you from any one of those not being present in the vehicle. And it might be one of any number of different features, such as a heated steering wheel, heated seats, heated windscreen, heated lights, whatever it might be. If it's missing those features and it's not the vehicle as described on the order form, then you should be able to go back and say, I reject this vehicle outright because it doesn't match the order. If, on the other hand, there is a line in the terms and conditions that says we might change the specification from time to time to exclude some of these standard features, then this should be a very prominent term, or at the very least, your attention should be brought to this term. Because if a term is particularly onerous and significantly changes the nature of the contract, then it will only be enforceable if your attention is brought to it before you sign the contract. But the other thing that I often find with these contracts is because it's a larger purchase, it's not just £200 or £300, we are usually talking 30, 40, 50, 60, 70,000 pounds, then very often dealers try to escape liability because if you want to take this to court, it's no longer going to be a small claim because that's limited at £10,000. And consumer law in the United Kingdom is fairly robust. I've done lots of videos on it. It's becoming something of a specialism of mine. So if you are in this position, do know that the Consumer Rights Act is a very solid piece of legislation. It protects you as a consumer. Of course, every case turns on its own facts, but I would urge you to come and see someone like me if you like, but any other lawyer that you wish, because it isn't right that dealers change these things and then think that they're going to get away with it just because it's more expensive for you to take it to court and enforce your contract. So I hope that's helpful to anyone in this position, which I know is a growing number of you, but please leave your questions, comments down below. Please also check out the super thanks, which is a comment where you can make stand out by paying a small sum of money, or you can join as memberships, all of which make your comments stand out and they might make their way into future videos. In the meantime, thank you for watching.